Hello and welcome back, my beautiful subscriber. And today we are on to Hamster Kombat's daily combo card. So we're going to head over to it quickly without wasting much of your time. Let's dive in. So our first card is under PR and teams, and we're going to tap on PR and team, then you scroll down towards the ending, and you're going to find security and audition. Okay, this is security and audition. So you're going to tap on the first one, then you click on go ahead. You say cool, first card is ready. All right, so let's go for the second one. The second one should be under special. Once you're under special, you're going to scroll down. It's USDT on tons. You can see it here. This is USDT on tons. So we're going to enter again, and the second card is assembled. So let's head over to the third one, which is X network 10 million. So here is the X 10 million. You're going to tap it again and click on go, and voila, it said take your prize. Click on take your prize. All right, guys, congratulations. You have gotten today's own 5 million coins from Hamster Kombat. Check by this time tomorrow to claim another 5 million tokens. See you next time.